Boy, it's coming down here. I'm in a little city called Ferndale. And it's right on the Eel River. I'm actually not in Ferndale. I'm under the bridge on the side, Ferndale, or the Eel River. I'll get it right. Anyhow, it is raining cats and dogs, but I'm okay. I'm in my tent. I got batten down the hatches. I got extra plastic down. I'm warm. I got a sub 20 degree sleeping bag. And I'm coming down the hill, soon to be in Fresno. Okay, everyone, get their beer cups out. We're going to Mike Jangosian's. All right, bye now. 20th of November.